Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm showing you how to add your phone number to your RedNote app account. This process enhances security and unlocks new features. Start by opening the RedNote app and logging in. Tap the three lines in the upper left corner. Then select Settings. Find Account Security and click on it. Next, choose the Mobile option. Enter your phone number, then input the code you receive via text. Finally, hit OK to complete the process. Now your account is more secure. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.